Lilly Business Banking Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? In the crowded world of business banking, especially for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners, choosing the right bank can feel overwhelming. One platform that has been gaining attention in 2025 is Lilly Business Banking. But is it really worth your time? Or should you leave it for other options? Today, we're diving deep into Lilly's features, benefits, potential drawbacks, and how it compares to traditional and online banking alternatives. Let's start with the basics. Lilly is a digital-first bank designed specifically for freelancers, self-employed professionals, and small business owners. Its core promise is simplicity, to provide a seamless, fully mobile banking experience that combines business banking, expense tracking, and tax management in one platform. Unlike traditional banks, Lilly doesn't require you to visit a branch, and it streamlines the entire process of managing business finances from your smartphone. One of the most talked about features of Lilly is its automatic expense categorization. Most business owners struggle to track spending for taxes, deductions, or budgeting purposes. Lilly simplifies this by automatically categorizing transactions into business-related categories like office supplies, software subscriptions, client entertainment, or travel. This helps users prepare for taxes in real time and minimizes the last-minute scramble during tax season. In fact, many users report that Lilly has saved them hours each month simply by automating these tasks. Another standout feature is the tax savings tool. Lilly automatically calculates a percentage of your income to set aside for taxes and transfers it into a separate savings bucket. For example, if you earn $5,000 in a month and have set aside 25% for taxes, Lilly will automatically allocate $1,250 to your tax savings account. This eliminates the guesswork that often plagues freelancers and small business owners and ensures that you're prepared when quarterly or annual taxes are due. Lilly also offers an integrated invoicing system. You can create, send, and manage invoices directly from the app, and clients can pay instantly using the Lilly Business Banking platform. This integration streamlines cash flow management and eliminates the need for third-party invoicing software. Some freelancers have noted that the ease of sending professional invoices through Lilly has even led to faster payments and fewer administrative headaches. When it comes to banking features, Lilly includes everything you'd expect from a modern digital bank: a business checking account with no monthly fees, a debit card, and FDIC insurance up to standard limits. Lilly supports ACH transfers, direct deposits, and bill payments, making it a full-fledged banking solution. The debit card can be used for purchases anywhere Visa is accepted, and Lilly integrates seamlessly with popular payment platforms and accounting software. One unique feature in 2025 is Lilly's Instant Insights. This tool uses AI to analyze spending patterns and income trends to provide actionable recommendations. For example, if the app detects that your software subscriptions are unusually high for your income level, it may suggest cost-saving measures or alert you to potential duplicate charges. These insights help business owners make smarter financial decisions without the need for external advisors or spreadsheets. Cash management is another strength. Lilly allows you to hold multiple buckets within your account, such as a main business account, tax savings, emergency funds, and project-specific funds. This feature helps you organize money for different purposes and ensures that you're not accidentally spending money allocated for taxes or important projects. Many traditional banks don't offer this kind of an app financial organization, which makes Lilly particularly attractive for busy freelancers and solopreneurs. Security and compliance are, of course, critical. Lilly is FDIC insured, uses encryption, and offers two-factor authentication to protect your accounts. The platform also ensures compliance with banking regulations, including KYC Know Your Customer and anti-fraud measures. For small business owners who are used to handling sensitive client and financial information, this level of security is essential. Now, let's talk about fees. Lilly prides itself on transparency. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no hidden charges. Some premium features, like advanced insights or priority support, may be offered under optional subscription plans, but the core banking functions are free. This is a significant advantage over many traditional banks, which often charge maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, or additional costs for business services. However, Lilly is not without its limitations. First, it's a fully digital platform. This means there are no physical branches, which can be a drawback for business owners who prefer in-person banking support. While customer service is available through chat, email, and phone, some users have noted that response times can vary, especially during peak hours. For more complex banking needs, this may be a consideration. Second, while Lily covers most day-to-day banking needs, it currently does not offer business loans, lines of credit, or advanced financial products. This makes it less suitable for businesses that require significant financing or investment products. Freelancers and solopreneurs who are primarily focused on income management, expense tracking, and tax preparation will find Lily very effective, but larger businesses may need additional banking solutions. To put the value in context, let's consider a practical example. Imagine a freelance graphic designer earning $6,000 per month. With Lily, 25% of this income is automatically set aside for taxes, leaving $4,500 for business expenses and savings. Every purchase is categorized automatically, invoices are sent and tracked in real time, and spending insights alert the designer to unusual patterns. At the end of the quarter, the designer can easily export reports for tax filing, saving hours of manual bookkeeping. This demonstrates how Lily can streamline financial management and reduce stress for freelancers. One of the surprising truths about Lily is that while it's primarily a banking tool, it functions as a business assistant. Many users report that it changes how they approach money, encouraging smarter spending, better tax planning, and more organized cash flow. By combining banking, invoicing, expense tracking, and tax management in one app, Lily removes the friction of managing multiple platforms, software, or spreadsheets. Comparing Lily to competitors in 2025, it stacks up well against other digital banking options like Novo, Mercury, and PayPal Business. While Novo focuses on integrations and Mercury emphasizes startups and tech companies, Lily's unique blend of simplicity, automation, and tax-focused tools makes it especially appealing for self-employed individuals and small-scale entrepreneurs. Traditional banks, by contrast, may offer more product variety but often lack the digital-first experience, ease of use, and automated insights that Lily provides. In terms of mobile experience, the Lily app is polished, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can view your balance, categorize transactions, send invoices, transfer funds, and set aside tax savings all from a single dashboard. Notifications alert you to deposits, large transactions, or low balances, ensuring that you remain informed without having to constantly check your account. For freelancers juggling multiple clients and projects, this can be a game changer. Customer feedback highlights both strengths and areas for improvement. Users appreciate the automation, transparency, and ease of use. Many mention that Lily has helped them avoid tax surprises and maintain better control over their finances. On the flip side, some users desire more advanced banking products, such as credit options or integration with payroll systems for those with small teams. In 2025, it's likely that Lily will continue to evolve, potentially expanding its offerings to address these needs. So, is Lily Business Banking worth it in 2025? For freelancers, solopreneurs, and small business owners focused on simplicity, automation, and tax readiness, the answer is a resounding yes. The app turns financial management from a chore into a streamlined, even enjoyable, process. If you value mobile-first solutions, automatic expense categorization, tax savings,